Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini to call. First, ensure your device has a working microphone and a stable internet connection. Next, open the Gemini app or access it through your Google Assistant. Finally, verify that Gemini's voice and speech recognition settings are properly enabled for optimal performance. This setup is crucial for a smooth calling experience. Once your setup is complete, initiating a call is straightforward. Simply activate Gemini using the familiar phrase, "Hey Google" or "OK Google." Then, clearly state your calling request, such as "Call Mom" or "Call John Doe." Gemini will then identify the contact and confirm the number before placing the call for you, making it very convenient. While on a call initiated by Gemini, you maintain control using simple voice commands. To end the conversation, just say, "Hang up." You can also ask Gemini to adjust the call volume up or down as needed for better clarity. If a call drops or you need to reconnect, you can easily ask Gemini to redial the last number. If you encounter any issues, first check your device's contact permissions to ensure Gemini has access. Make sure your contact names are clear and distinct to avoid confusion. Practicing with simple commands can also improve Gemini's accuracy in recognizing your requests. These tips will help ensure a seamless calling experience with Gemini.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.